myself bladders? What?
Do you?
Okay.
No, he said he gonna make me bladders.
My neighbor Jack made this.
I have not been using bladders.
My neighbor, your neighbor cannot
I
make
started
nothing
off
like
with
this.
But like a way worse looking one of these.
Let me give y'all a better angle.
Like no landing gear, no
Excuse me, my bad.
like no designs, just like didn't work very well, but got better.
I don't drop your phone.
Y'all see the rudders. We're about to fly this UFO.
Tell Mike, he's back up. Y'all can do
And this is for sale also. This is for sale right here, right now. We got them for $49.99. $500. We can make you one customized with your name on it. The rudders that have your name on it.
You ain't taking it out tonight, are you?
Yeah,
it's going
right
up.
now.
It's going up.
What you got, cardboard on it?
It's for sale,
cardboard,
okay?
Yeah.
Cardboard? Come on, man. I'm with that. I'm with the
This is the-
technology now. I need something that's not that.
Watch this. Watch this. You talking crazy.
No, it's not. I'm talking crazy. I just like.
Watch
like
this.
state-of-the-art
Watch
equipment.
this. Watch this.
You never heard of
My man Jack just
cardboard
made
technology?
this. You better tell him,
I
Jack.
have now.
Jack. Tell him, Jack. Watch this.
I can't tell him. I can only show him.
We can only show.
I'm not down your creation, but now if I come back with something that is state-of-the-art,
Watch this. Just watch this.
I want you to come back with something better than what I have
Ooh.
and show me.
Watch this, Kane. Watch this. Watch
Oh
this.
shit! I got it backwards.
Watch this. Hold on. Don't play with Jack,
We're in
man.
reverse mode right now.
Yeah. My neighbor makes this stuff. He can make you anything. He can put a camera on that. He can make you a drone. I know you like drones. I always see you with the drones.
Yeah.
But he makes it all.
I haven't flown a plane. So why you ain't got a pattern out there?
Hold on, time's out. We doing this kind of stuff now. You always trying to see he's really from this block. He original from this block. He tried to cut in on me already.
No, it's just-
It's like, no, that's cool,
It's just that
okay?
I'm one of them old timers that's from the future,
Yeah.
but been away under a rock for so long.
No,
What you
he's
got in the future?
Well, I'm still trying to figure out how to get from here to the
Nah,
moon.
this right here, this is it. Watch this.
No, I'm just looking at.
Watch this. Watch this.
I gotta see how far.
I'm switching the motor direction.
Switching up the motor direction. It's that easy.
That's a fact.
My phone died.